Hi there, I'm Mark, and this is the 4-Minute History Channel. Let's get started. The fall of the Berlin Wall, a momentous event on November 9th, 1989, marked not only the physical demolition of a divisive barrier, but also symbolized the end of the Cold War and the beginning of a new era in European history. This event was the culmination of a series of political, social, and economic factors, both within East Germany, the German Democratic Republic GDR, and in the broader context of the East-West relations of the time. Political reforms in the Soviet Union. The foundation for the fall of the Berlin Wall was partly laid by Soviet leader Mikhail Gorbachev's policies of glasnost, openness, and perestroika, restructuring. These policies signaled a shift in the Soviet Union away from strict communist orthodoxy and towards more openness and economic reform. This shift had a ripple effect throughout the Eastern Bloc, encouraging reform and dissent in East Germany. Escalating public dissent. Throughout the 1980s, East Germany witnessed growing public dissatisfaction with the regime. This dissent was fueled by economic stagnation, lack of political freedom, and the influence of Western media and culture. The exodus of East Germans to the West through other Eastern Bloc countries that had opened their borders, such as Hungary and Czechoslovakia, further exacerbated the situation. Critical mass protests. The immediate precursor to the fall of the wall was the series of peaceful mass protests in East Germany, particularly in Leipzig and East Berlin. These protests grew in size and frequency throughout 1989, with demonstrators demanding freedom to travel, democratic reforms, and the end of the one-party state. Miscommunication and a historic press conference. A pivotal moment occurred on November 9th, 1989, during a press conference held by Günter Schabowski, a member of the East German Politburo. Schabowski mistakenly announced that new regulations for travel to the West were effective immediately without the intended restrictions. This misinformation spread rapidly, leading to masses of East Berliners converging on the wall, demanding to be let through. The wall opens overwhelmed and unprepared. The border guards, lacking clear instructions from their superiors, eventually opened the gates. This act effectively rendered the Berlin Wall obsolete, as jubilant crowds from both East and West Berlin climbed onto the wall, celebrating and chipping away at it with hammers and chisels. Aftermath and symbolism. The fall of the Berlin Wall was a powerful symbol of the end of the Cold War era. It led to the rapid collapse of other communist regimes in Central and Eastern Europe, and within a year led to the reunification of Germany. It remains a potent symbol of freedom, the triumph of the human spirit over division and oppression. This event is filled with intriguing details, such as the fact that the fall was precipitated not by a planned government policy, but by a miscommunication and the spontaneous reaction of the people. It underscores the impact of grassroots movements, the power of collective desire for freedom, and the unpredictability of historical events. Thank you for watching. If you think this was a great history lesson, please subscribe to the channel. Until next time.